Time to prep paint. Paint prep stuffs. Welcome to Simple Red. This will be our Mom Life Cricut Build Part 2. So the next thing I want to do to this InWin B1 case, I want to paint. Now in order to do that, we've got to do some paint prep. That's what this whole video is going to be. I'm going to kick it off with tearing the case apart, breaking it down into parts that are going to need painted, and then we'll go through and tape everything off that we don't want paint on. And that'll be it for this video, short and sweet. Alright, prep work's done. Everything's taped off, screws went right back where they were. Got the case taken apart really easy actually, not even a whole lot to it. And, the fan bracket, didn't even have to screw the fan in, it just clips right in. So hopefully that fits well when I order the Noctua fan to replace the InWin fan. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of parts I'm going to be painting, but it should add a nice custom feel to it, and hopefully make it a little nicer than just a plain black plastic. Definitely more girly with the color my girlfriend picked. Yeah, stay tuned for going through and painting the project. like the video and you're looking forward to more, hit like and subscribe below. And I'll be bringing more videos every week. Thank you.